My name is Sergio Hernandez, and I am doing another video portion of my microbiology class. This is Biology 225, and today is going to be November the 15th, I believe, Thursday. So today I'm going to do a couple little things. We're going to make a slide. We have to scrape the inside of our cheek, and then we have to also scrape our, I believe, our plaque off our teeth, and make two separate slides, take some pictures, and then put them on the microscope so we can go ahead and take a look at them. So for the video portion, I'll go ahead and do the cheek one, and then we'll talk about the microscope a little bit, okay? So I got my slides here, I got my little slide covers, I got some distilled water, and my swabs here. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you gotta go ahead and do, I'm gonna put this one off to the side because we're gonna be doing the cheek one. And then I'll put one of these covers right next to it, and we'll get this one right here. So we're going to get one of our swabs, and we need to go ahead and scrape the inside of our mouth. So hey, here we go. All right, now we're going to go ahead, we're going to put it in the center of this guy, smear it in there. Okay, so we're done with that. You think that was enough? We're going to put a drop of this on there. And then we're going to go ahead and put our cover. So on the cover, I know that we start on one side. And then we just drop it on there, like so. The water should wick all the way around to go ahead and put it on there. Then we'll go ahead and put that under the microscope. We're going to go ahead and do my teeth plaque one as well. And then we will load the pictures. So the same process goes for the teeth one, except it's going to be scraping for my teeth. Now, as far as the microscope, this is the microscope that I have here. And we'll start from the top, and we'll name some of the parts on how this little gizmo works. So up on top, obviously, it's the ocular lens where we look through. This one has one. We also have the ones that have two, but mine has one. So then top is the ocular lens. And this, we can go ahead and change it out for the power. And this would be, I believe, 15 times multiplied by the objective, and it gives you your full output there. So this is the arm coming all the way down for the microscope. Looking through the lens, it comes down. This is the turret. And on the turret, you have all the objectives. This one has 3, and we have right over here, this is your scan power. This is going to be your low power, your high power, and you also have a 4th one, which is your oil immersion. And then normally you would simply unscrew the high power, and then you're going to exchange it and put in your oil immersion. So that's the 100 times objective, which allows you to look a little closer. So again, this is going to be your stage. You're going to have 2 stage adjustments, and they are right here. One is going to be side-to-side adjustment. One's going to be front and back to help you position that lens exactly where you want to find, or where you want it at, so you look through the objectives. The objectives just snap into place so you know they're centered. You have 2 knobs for focusing and moving your objectives up and down. This is going to be your coarse adjustment or your coarse focus. This is your fine adjustment or your fine focus right here with much smaller adjustments. Again, this is going to be your stage where you rest your slide. I currently have my E slide from when I was taking pictures of it. There is a little arm that locks it in place, and then this is called the stage clip. That pretty much holds it and keeps it from moving. Right underneath it, you have the diaphragm or the iris, which allows you to adjust the amount of light coming through in case you have something very transparent and too much light really drowns it out and doesn't allow you to look at it. So you can dim it out a little bit so you get a better view of what you're looking at. This one has some little clips for I believe, for different colored lenses and stuff like that you can do to it, and your iris adjustments right here. Down at the bottom is your light source or your illuminator. They come different. There's some plug into the wall. This one is battery powered. Some even have mirrors, and you have a separate light source that does that. But this one has a little battery-powered illuminator, a little light switch on the front, and of course you have the base that sits on the bottom for it to rest. So you just simply always use two hands. You have the arm, and you grab the base to move it around. But again, I believe that's everybody on here. I think I went ahead and named everybody. And I think that's about it. So I'd like to say thank you very much. And I got a couple more videos to do, and I'll get those done and loaded up. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.